Number three, and understand this, credit card companies must notify you 45 days before raising your interest rate on your credit cards, right? So let's say you got a 0% APR on a credit card and you have a certain amount of time until that's done. Make sure you pay attention to that. Sometimes you may have an interest rate on a credit card at a certain percentage, and then they up the percentage on their credit cards across the board for everyone. They have 45 days to give you that information and to let you know. Now understand, when you have a late payment, then you forfeit that right of the 45 days, and they can raise your interest rate right at that time span. But understand, if you have a credit card and they do raise your interest rate and you've been making your payments on time with that credit card, then it's probably a wise thing to do to contact your bank and let them, or contact your credit card company and let them know, like, hey, you guys raised my interest rate and I didn't get a notice 45 days from that time span. But understand, if you've been late on your credit card, you forfeit that right with regards to, getting that 45-day notification. And then the fourth thing for you to understand, which is pretty cool, interest rates on your credit cards cannot change within that first year, typically, with regards to credit cards across the board. So if you got a credit card and you apply for it, and then 3 months down the road, you see the interest rate jumping up and you don't have a late payment, you might want to contact your credit card company and figure out what that is with regards to that, because that's a general rule. They can't do it within that first year.